Hi guys, Franki here. Let's talk skincare, specifically HydroPeptide, our new luxury skincare line here at Matthew Bridges MD. You've probably heard the word peptides tossed around in the beauty world, but what are they really? Simply put, peptides are a short chain of amino acids. Think of them as the building blocks of proteins. These little guys are powerful. They help your cells communicate, regulate your body's functions, fight off infections, and even support your skin's natural healing process. Some everyday examples of peptides include insulin, which helps control blood sugar, growth hormones that support cell development, and collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and smooth. Antibodies? Yep. Also peptides. So when we say HydroPeptide is powered by peptides, we're talking about science-backed ingredients that do real work for your skin. Now, what makes HydroPeptide really stand out? For starters, it's super clean. It's free of peanuts, tree nuts, parabens, sulfates, and harsh fragrances. It's 100% cruelty-free, allergy tested, mostly gluten-free, and even about 80% vegan. And here's something cool. It meets the super strict skincare standards used in the UK, which ban over 2,100 ingredients that are still allowed in the US. These products are developed by geneticists, use patented peptide technology, and have proven results. So if you're looking for skincare that's effective, clean, and luxurious, this is it. If you're curious about whether HydroPeptide is right for your skin, give us a call and schedule an appointment with me today. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Matthew Bridges MD for more skincare tips and updates. And we can't wait to see you.